In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm with Teachables. If you're building or selling courses on the Teachable platform and wondering how to offer buy now, pay later options, this guide will clear up what's possible right now and how to set it up correctly. First, a quick reality check. Teachable does not currently support Affirm as a native checkout option. That means there isn't a toggle inside your payment settings that lets you turn on Affirm the way you might expect. Even though Teachable supports buy now, pay later at checkout, Affirm isn't one of the providers offered natively for most schools. So what does Teachable support today? Within its native checkout, Teachable can surface buy now, pay later options from partners like Afterpay and Klarna. These providers can give your students flexible payment plans directly at checkout, but there are a couple of important requirements for them to appear. You'll need to be using Teachable. Pay with Backoffice enabled. Backoffice is Teachable's built-in suite that helps handle things like payouts, taxes, and certain payment methods. You'll also need to make sure your products are priced in a supported currency and that your student's country supports buy now, pay later. If any of those pieces aren't in place, the BNPL options won't show at checkout for that student. Here's how to check your setup. In your Teachable admin, go to Settings, then select Payments. Inside the Payments area, scroll down to the Backoffice section. This is where you can enable or disable Backoffice and configure related options like PayPal and tax handling. Once Backoffice is enabled and your school is on Teachable Pay, eligible students will automatically see Afterpay or Klarna offers at checkout when their currency and location are supported. There's no extra code to add. If you're not seeing BNPL options at checkout, double-check three things: that Backoffice is enabled, that your course or product uses a supported currency, and that the student's country supports buy now, pay later. Remember, even with everything configured correctly, Affirm specifically will not appear because it isn't natively supported. A few best practices can help. Let students know that flexible payment options may be available at checkout, depending on their location and eligibility. Keep your pricing simple to avoid confusion during the BNPL approval step. And periodically review your payments and backoffice settings in case Teachable updates available providers or expands eligibility. To wrap up, while you can't turn on Affirm directly in Teachable, you can still offer buy now, pay later through Afterpay and Klarna by using Teachable, Pay with Backoffice enabled and selling in supported regions. Check your payment settings, confirm eligibility, and you'll be set.